Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. This property is located in the upscale community of Ironshore, Montego Bay, close proximity to golf course, the beach and Sangster International Airport. This gorgeous 4,000 square feet house has 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, a 1-bedroom 1-bathroom self-contained unit, swimming pool, skylighting and mahogany carved front door. The house sits on half-acre, being sold with furnitures, great for a large family or an investment property. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $500,000 or Jamaican $76.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.